Yeah, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you an airdrop project that is actually a gaming project. It's called the Pixelverse, and this project has the potential to give us some cool cash in our pocket once the project goes live anytime soon. So for you to actually join this airdrop, check the link in the description. I'll drop the link to the Telegram bot. But before you click on the link, let me explain what this project is actually about. So as you can see right here, this is actually a gaming project. And from here, you could see that these guys are building something totally different from what we all know. Okay, so from here, you could see I really love the animation of this game, and you can see that actually this Pixelverse is a cyberpunk video game ecosystem. The players explore neon-lit world filled with quests, battles, and opportunities to craft and customize the robot. I'll be showing you guys what the game looks like. So without wasting much of your time, let's get this money. So all you need to do is to go to the description of this video and click on the Telegram link there. It's going to take you to this Pixelverse Telegram bot where you'll be able to start playing your game there. So once you're inside the game, I'm just going to go into my game right now. Okay, so once you're inside the game, it's going to actually bring you to your home page like this. And all you could actually do from your home page right now is to invite your friends and fight in some battles. You could actually check the leaderboard and do your daily reward task. So the first thing you should do once you click on that link in the description that will take you into this bot, once you open it up, click on start. Basically, it's just going to be like this. Just click on fight for supply and it's going to open up for you. Okay, right now we are in our account. Okay, so from here, all you need to do is just to tap if you're a fan of tapping, but they made the game so easy that you don't need to actually tap anything. All you need to do is just to click on this claim bar that's underneath here. The bar is going to fill up for you every 8 hours. I'm just trying to just go around this game so you could actually get the best out of it and get more coin before the coin goes live. Okay, so from here, all you need to do is just to make sure your daily income increases. And how do you do this? You need to increase your bots. You need to upgrade and increase your bots. So from here, where do you actually increase your bots? All you need to do is to go over to here that says play, fight battle. So from here, you can see that this is my own bot right here. And I used to upgrade it. Now I'm at level 15. And if I want to upgrade this to level 16, I have to spend this amount of coin that they showed me on my screen right now. And I can actually just go ahead and click it, but I'm going to be using that to upgrade other of my bots. I see I have multiple. You could actually come here and buy a new pet. When you click on it, it's going to actually tell you it's going to spend 100,000 of this coin for you. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and just buy a new coin so that you guys will see what it looks like buying a new bot. Okay, so from here right now, they gave me this hamster. Okay, now I have 3 in my collection. All right, so I can actually go ahead and upgrade it like this. Click on it and spend 5,000 of this coin. And yeah, I'm now at level 2. Okay, good. So from here, you could actually close this up. And I know you guys will be actually asking yourself, how do you get a lot of this balance here? It's quite easy. It's not really a big deal. So all you need to do is just to come to here that says reward. And from here, all you need to do is go ahead and do your daily reward. Click on claim. Actually, I've claimed mine and have done my daily combo. For the daily combo, it's kind of trickish, but I have a link in the description to my Telegram channel where I post about the daily combination you need to get 1 million coin every day. And also I also post about different kind of airdrops and the updates on different airdrops once they've launched or something. I keep you guys updated there, so try not to miss joining that Telegram channel. It's very important if you want to keep up to date. Okay, I'm going to be dropping the daily combination there like I've said. Come over to here that says task. Once you click on your task, you will be able to join some Telegram chat and some Twitter and stuff like that. Join the Discord and everything else. And here it's going to tell you to sign up to to your dashboard. You should also do that so that you will have your dashboard. Okay, so coming back here to the reward, I've talked about that. You see, when you guys notice, my daily income was 900, and once I got a new bot and increased it, it got to 1 million daily income. So guys, this is how to play the game. Keep upgrading your bots and you'll be getting a higher daily income, and you actually be making more every 8 hours claim. if I have like a 2 million here, I will actually be claiming 2 million tokens every day. So do more to upgrade your robot. It's very important. I'm just going to go ahead and upgrade this one more time so you guys could see what it looks like. Okay, so this is just basically how to do it. Got it. And if I go back to my home screen right now, on N, you can see that my daily income is increasing just as I'm upgrading my bot. Okay, I'm going to take you guys now to the Pixelverse dashboard. So once you're here, all you need to do is just to log in with your email account, and just make sure you come over to here that says that shows you this edit button here. Click on it and you'll be able to link your Twitter, your Discord, and your Telegram, the Telegram account that you're using to play the game. Okay, make sure you do that. Once you click on it, you could actually come over here to check out the pets. You know, you could actually feed your pets here, and you could actually carry out some tasks here, and you'll be getting your player PIX. Don't forget to do this. It's very important. Okay, so but very importantly, don't also forget to pay attention to the in-game. I've showed you guys how to play it already. Please do not skip these very simple tasks that will give you some money in your pocket. If you guys actually know about Notcoin, the crazy numbers, you can go and just do your research about Notcoin and how it was, how Notcoin came out, and what Notcoin is right now. Check it out and you'll be impressed. Okay, so from here you could actually go to society, and you can see 2 unlocked. Complete it up, complete that, and you'll be getting some of these PIX here. Okay, I'm gonna actually go now to the game. This is what the game looks like. If you want to actually play the game, you just come here and just click on the demo playground. When you click on demo playground, it's going to actually take you here, and you will log in with the Gmail that you used to create this dashboard actually. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty fun. You can see how it looks like. And now I have a task here to find a job, talk to Pluto, and this is Pluto actually. I love the music of this game. Come on, I'm impressed. When you click on it, you just talk to Pluto and have a conversation. Okay, you can see the addresses have been sent to your communicator. See you close. When I click on this communicator right now, okay, this one. Now I have this. Okay, you can see completed. Wait, once I complete the tags. Okay. All right, guys. So basically, this is what this game looks like. I really love the interface and everything. You can just join the game and just explore. You can see what is going on here, guys. It's not even something you've seen before. You know, these guys are building something crazy. They're building something massive. So please do not, I repeat, don't fade this simple airdrop, guys. It's very easy to play, and literally it will give us some good juicy airdrop at the end of this campaign. So guys, this is what the tokenomics looks like actually. I know you love that soundtrack that was playing out there. Okay, so this is what the tokenomics looks like. You can see actually that they will be giving a 10% to the community incentives and marketing, and this has a total of 5 billion token. And you know what 10% of that means, guys? These guys are going to give us crazy money. Please do not fade this project. All right, guys, I'm just going to go through this game one more time. I know a lot of people are actually into this graphics. You guys haven't seen this before. I'm actually playing this on my computer right now. So if I actually just use my mouse to like zoom in, it's gonna be zoomed in, and I could like literally zoom out. Like I just figured this out like while making this video actually. Okay, so basically I love it. I'm sure you do. Okay. So don't miss this airdrop, guys. I just started talking about $0 airdrop actually, and guys, this is gonna be a game changer for everyone in the Web3 space. Stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and I will be actually dropping all the links you'll be needing in the description of this video. All right, guys. See you guys in the next one, and I'll be communicating with you guys in my Telegram channel. Don't fail to join that Telegram channel. It's really important to stay updated. Peace out.